In the previous part of the thief story, we had already studied that Anil was a simple and kind-hearted person and he was watching wrestling match when he met the thief. The thief had hidden his real identity and told him lies that his real name is Hari Singh. When the thief asked Anil if he could work for him, but that time Anil said that he could not pay him money. That much we have learned. Now we will proceed further with our second chapter. I thought that over for a minute. Perhaps I had misjudged by my man. I asked, "Can you feed me?" I thought that over for a minute means I thought for a moment. Because he had misjudged this man. Misjudge means what? To form a wrong opinion about someone. Means he was thinking that this man will be a rich man. But now he thought that he misjudged this man and asked him that can you feed me? Anil asked him, can you cook? I can cook. I lied again. And this thief lied again. वो फिर से झूठ बोला that yes I can cook. If you can cook, then maybe I can feed you. Sonil replied that if you can cook, then no problem. I maybe can feed you. He took me to his room over the Jumma sweet shop and told me I could sleep on the balcony. So he took me to his room, and his room was over the Jamna sweet shop. Over the Jamna sweet shop means it was on the first floor. And at the ground floor there was a Jamna sweet shop. And on the first floor this Anil was staying there. And Anil told him that he could sleep in the balcony because if you have the bedroom or any kind of rooms on the first floor, you maybe have some kind of balcony, veranda, open air veranda. So he told him that you can sleep here in the balcony. But the meal I cooked that night must have been terrible because Anil gave it to a stray dog and told me to be off. And that night he cooked food. He cooked dinner. But that dinner was so terrible. Terrible means horrible. And Anil gave it to a stray dog. That food was wasted, and that is when Anil gave those food to the stray dog. Stray dog means जो गली में कुत्ते होते हैं उनको उन्होंने खाना दे दिया. And told him to be off. To be off means to leave the place at once. उन्होंने कहा, अनिल ने कहा थीफ को कि तुम यहाँ से जा सकते हो. You cannot stay with me. But I just hung around, smiling in my most appealing way, and he couldn't help laughing. And he told him to be off. वहाँ से चले जाने को कहा. तब भी ये वो जो थीफ था वो वेट कर रहा था उसी प्लेस में. He did not move from that place. And he was smiling in an attractive manner. And that is why Anil then started laughing. And that means that अनिल ने अब उसको माफ कर दिया है. Later he patted me on the head and said never mind, he would teach me to cook. And later means afterwards he patted his head. Patted means he touched with a soft manner. He touched his head with a soft manner and told him that never mind, he would teach him to cook. He would means what? Anil would teach him to cook. He also taught me to write my name and said he would soon teach me to write whole sentences and to add numbers. And then he taught him to write his names and then said him that he would teach him. Anil would teach him to write down the whole sentence also and to add numbers also. To add numbers means to count the money, otherwise the maths. And he told him that he would teach him to count money, to add numbers and mathematics also. I was grateful. I knew that once I could write like an educated man, there would be no limit to what I could achieve. And then this thief was very thankful to Anil, and he was knowing that if he could write like an educated man, then he could get any kind of things. He could get success in his life, whatever he had thought. It was quite pleasant working for Anil. I made the tea in the morning and then would take my time buying the day's supplies. And now this thief was very much pleasant. Pleasant means very much happy to work for Anil. And then he made tea in the morning, and then Anil gave him some money to buy some supplies. Supplies means vegetables, fruits, grocery. So this kind of things is called supplies. So this Anil gave him some money to buy the day's supplies, usually making a profit of about a rupee a day. I think he knew I made a little money this way, but he did not seem to mind. And when he was going for buying these day's supplies, he usually uh, was cheating to Anil by taking away 1 rupee from that money. And by this, he was making profit. And this thief was very much sure that Anil was knowing that he was taking away 1 rupee from the money. But he did not seem to mind. He did not seem to mind means what? He was not worrying about that. That this thief was taking 1 rupee from those money. Anil made money by fits and starts. So Anil's money was irregular. His fits and starts means irregular income. So Anil's income was irregular. He would borrow 1 week, lend the next. And sometimes he borrow money from his friends, and then next week he was giving back those money. He kept worrying about his next check, but as soon as it arrived, he would go out and celebrate. It seems he wrote for magazines, a queer way to make a living. And he was always worrying about his next check, about his next money, about his next salary. But as soon as the money arrived, he liked to go out and to celebrate with his friends. And now this thief realized that this Anil is writing for magazine. Writing for magazine means what? Anil was a writer. And he felt that it is a strange way. Queer way means it is a strange way to make money, to earn money. So ये जो thief था उसको लगता है कि अनिल का जो तरीका है पैसे कमाने का वो बहुत स्ट्रेंज है. कभी कभी उसके पास पैसा रहता है, कभी कभी नहीं रहता है, और जैसे भी पैसे आते हैं उनके पास वो सेलिब्रेट कर देता है और पूरा वेस्ट कर देता है. One evening, he came home with a small bundle of notes, saying he had just sold a book to a publisher. At night, I saw him tuck the money under the mattress. And one evening, Anil came with a huge bundle of notes, means so many rupees, and then he told this thief that he had sold his book to a publisher and got lot of money. And at night, this thief saw that this Anil had tucked the money under the mattress. Tuck the money under the mattress means what? To put something to a safest place. सो ये जो अनिल है उसने ये बहुत सारे जो पैसे उसको मिले थे उसकी बुक के सोल्ड हो जाने के कारण, तो उसने ये सारे रुपीस जो थे वो अंडर द मैट्रेस मीन्स वो गद्दे के अंदर, गद्दे के अंदर नीचे उसने उसको छुपा दिए थे. I had been working for Anil for almost a month, and apart from cheating on the shopping, had not done anything in my line of work. And this thief had been working for Anil for almost a month. तो 1 महीना हो गया है काम करते करते. एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम चीटिंग ऑन द शॉपिंग मीन्स जब भी वो शॉपिंग करने जाता था तो वो चीट करता था, सिर्फ 1 रुपया ले लेता था. हैड नॉट डन एनीथिंग इन माई लाइन ऑफ वर्क, तो उतना ही उसने किया था, दूसरा कुछ भी उसने किया नहीं था। इन माई लाइन ऑफ वर्क मीन्स व्हाट, हिज लाइन ऑफ वर्क इज टू रॉब समवन। सो ये जो चोर था उसने रॉबरी नहीं की थी अब तक, उसने सिर्फ चीटिंग ही की थी, उसने सिर्फ 1 ही रुपया वो लेता था। तो ये जो थीप था वो सोचता है that I have been working for this Anil for almost a month and had not done anything real work, had not done anything, any activity, because his profession was to cheat people, his profession was to rob people, लेकिन उसने अभी तक वो रॉबरी नहीं की थी, चोरी नहीं की थी। I had every opportunity for doing so. Anil had given me a key to the door and I could come and go as I pleased. I was the most trusting person I had he was the most trusting person I had ever met. And this Anil was thinking that I had every opportunity to rob this person. मेरे पास बहुत सारी तक है कि मैं उसके साथ ये चोरी कर सकता हूँ, उसके घर में चोरी कर सकता हूँ, बिकॉज अनिल हैड गिवन हिम अ की ऑफ द डोर, मीन्स जो मेन दरवाजा था उसकी की भी ये चोर के पास रहती थी। एंड ही कुड कम एंड गो वेन एवर ही लाइक टू कम एंड गो, मीन्स जब भी वो चाहता था वो आ जा सकता था। एंड this Anil was the most trusting person that this thief have never met this kind of person. वो बहुत ही ट्रस्टिंग पर्सन था, वो ट्रस्ट करता था इस चोर पर भी। And that is why it was so difficult to rob him. It is easy to rob a greedy man because he can afford to be robbed, but it is difficult to rob a careless man. Sometimes he doesn't even notice he has been robbed, and that takes all the pleasure out of the work. And this to rob this Anil was a difficult task for this thief because he was thinking that it was easy to rob a greedy man, because we have to make some kind of effort to rob those person. Effort means हमें ये प्रयत्न करने पड़ते, हमें बहुत सारे वेज अपनाने पड़ते ग्रीडी मैन को रॉब करने के लिए। बट इट वॉज सो डिफिकल्ट टू रॉब दिस अनिल बिकॉज ही वॉज careless man, and sometimes he doesn't even notice that this thief has stolen something, and that is why he was thinking that to rob this Anil, because he was a careless man, it was taking away all the pleasure of his work. तो उसकी जो खुशी थी रॉब करने की वो किस में थी, तो जो मेहनत करनी पड़ती थी तो वो उसको खुशी देती थी, लेकिन उसको लगता है कि अगर मैं ये अनिल को रॉब करूँगा, अनिल की यहाँ चोरी करूँगा, तो अनिल तो बहुत ही केयरलेस है, उसको कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ेगा, तो मुझे भी अपने ये प्रोफेशन में, चोरी करने के प्रोफेशन में मज़ा नहीं आएगा। वेल, इट्स टाइम आई डिड सम रियल वर्क। आई टोल्ड माई सेल्फ आई एम आउट ऑफ प्रैक्टिस एंड इफ आई डोंट टेक द मनी आई विल ओनली वेस्ट इट he will only waste it on his friends. After all, he doesn't even pay me. So उसने अब सोचा, this thief had thought that now I had to do some real work. I was supposed to do some real work, and he told this to himself. And then he told himself that he was now out of practice. He was now out of practice means what? कि उसने जो चोरी करने की प्रैक्टिस थी उसकी वो अब छूट गई है, तो उसको अब थोड़ा चोरी करना चाहिए। एंड इफ आई डोंट टेक द मनी ही विल ओनली वेस्ट इट ऑन हिज फ्रेंड्स। एंड उसने सोचा, दिस थिफ हैड थॉट दैट इफ he did not take the money then this Anil will waste all the money on his friends. After all, he doesn't even pay me. और उसको लगता है, चोर को लगता है कि क्यों ना चोरी करूं, मैं उसके लिए काम करता हूँ लेकिन वो मुझे पे तो करता नहीं है। So he thought to rob this Anil, to rob the money of Anil. Thank you and have a nice day.